Starting around 19 July 2023, explicitly spell token in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.004805 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.32% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a really significant manner. Spell especially has an extremely all-out market cap of $51,609,987, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,136,840 in a quite enormous manner. This basically makes especially spell in every way that really matters. Token, spell, most certainly positioning at 357 in the digital money market, especially for their appearance. How in a real sense, spell truly has a kind of all-out market cap of $51,609,987, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,136,840 in a genuinely huge manner. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the spell kind of symbolic cost expectation end of 2023, what will especially spell fundamentally token generally be essentially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is certainly spell especially token a truly wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023? Which especially is very huge. Will truly spell cost certainly outperform its unequaled high? Which certainly is very huge. These really are generally spell genuinely token cost expectations for spell's future, or so they most certainly thought. Spell truly token, spell, value expectation 2023. As per the spell genuinely token figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell cost in every practical sense is supposed to truly cross a very normal value level of $0.00060696. The normal genuinely least value worth of explicitly spell kind of token toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to really be $0.00058226 in a sort of enormous manner. Besides, sort of spell can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.00065537 in an especially enormous manner. Spell exceptionally token value figure July 2023. The truly normal cost of most certainly spell pretty token, spell, could really go to $0.00051863 toward the finish of July 2023. Spell could sort of exchange around a really greatest worth of $0.00053345, with the base expected cost of $0.00046924, or so they generally thought. Spell in every way that really matters. Token value forecast August 2023. The cost of generally spell extremely token sort of is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense reach at a kind of least worth of $0.00051962 in August 2023, or so they basically thought. The spell cost could arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.00055938, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.00053938 all through 2023, or so they fundamentally thought. Spell pretty token, spell, value estimate September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of by and large spell certainly token generally is somewhat anticipated to especially arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.00055016, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.00058095 and an especially least of $0.00053041, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell genuinely token value expectation October 2023. The cost of basically spell genuinely token explicitly is truly anticipated to essentially reach at a sort of least worth of $0.00054747 in October 2023. Certainly further appearance how explicitly spell really token value gauge July 2023. The by and large normal cost of in every practical sense, spell in every practical sense, token, spell, could for the most part go to $0.00051863 toward the finish of July 2023, in an exceptionally significant manner. The spell cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.00060296, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00057217 all through 2023. which essentially is genuinely huge. Spell value figure November 2023. The spell commonly token gauge for November 2023 expects that the spell may basically arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.000631570 with a very least cost of around $0.000575530 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the truly normal cost in a real sense. Spell can in a real sense stretch around $0.000595006 for November, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell value conjecture December 2023, concerning December 2023. Explicitly spelled truly token, certainly is supposed to by and large arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.000582226, which generally is genuinely huge. The spell cost could in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.000655537, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.000600696. Spell genuinely token kind of past value examination. In every way that really matters, recent hours, the crypto for the most part has been somewhat diminished by 0.26% in its truly current worth, which certainly shows that truly spell certainly token value gauge July 2023. The truly normal cost of in every practical sense, spell commonly token. Spell could go to $0.000518663 toward the finish of July 2023 in an extremely huge manner. In the event that we in every practical sense look at the especially current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap especially is likewise down in a for the most part significant manner. Spell genuinely token in a real sense is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, or so they in a real sense thought. The spell really is down to nearly 0.24% in the for the most part, most recent 7 days, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past sort of couple of days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for really in any case. We don't in a real sense imagine that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment, exhibiting that will for the most part spell cost outperform its untouched high, which explicitly is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of in a real sense spell sort of diminished by 39.436%, dispensing with an astounding exceptionally normal amount of $0.000312889 from its fundamentally current worth and in every practical sense, huge way. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a genuinely decent, especially purchase a valuable open